Hello friends, greetings for the day. Myself Dr. Dev Jha, pediatric pulmonologist and intensivist, Delhi. Today, I will describe in short about ventilation in children suffering from severe respiratory disease. So there are various types of ventilation, non-invasive and invasive ventilation. So non-invasive ventilation in which we do not have to intubate the child. Invasive ventilation, we have to intubate the child. So you have to put the endotracheal tube inside and then connect it into the ventilator. So it is not sufficient to connect the child on ventilator and just set the rate, by reading in the books that what rate should be there and what pressure should be there, PIP, PEP, or what tidal volume you set if you are operating on the volume control mode. So there are different control mode, different modes of ventilation. So it is important to know how ventilator works. What is the mechanism behind working of ventilator and what is the mechanism of lung? What is the existing lung mechanics? Because in disease, respiratory disease, lung mechanic is always dynamics. It changes rapidly. So you have to put a constant watch on lung mechanics and you have to monitor the child on ventilator very closely, and you will do that only if you will know the exact lung mechanism according to disease and the mechanism of functioning of ventilator. So to know these in detail, join Fellowship in Pediatric Pulmonology with Bronchoscopy and the Respiratory Foundation of India. Good luck. Thank you very much. Take care. Be aware.